Hi everyone, so I just wanted to take a few minutes and go through some of the tools that you have available in Blackboard for signing up for a group and also accessing some of the tools that you can utilize as a group. So I am here in week 1, learning activities, and at the bottom of the page, actually your view looks a little bit different than mine, so you'll have to scroll over to the assignment where you see homework number 1 and 2, preventive care and healthcare access collaboration groups. So in my overview video for the week that you can also view, I discussed the group project and the types of groups available and how you will sign up for a group. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so I can show you A, how to sign up for a group, and B, the tools that are available. So if I click on that link that I just did, you will see again the descriptions for each of the groups. So I'm going to click on this tab right here that says View Sign Up Sheet to join a group. Once I do that, you can scroll down a little bit and I can see that here is group 1, and remember group 1 are those who are available during the day on the weekdays. Group 2, if I scroll down, group 2 are those who are available during the evening on the weekdays, and group 3 are those who are available during the weekend, Friday through Sunday. So let's say that I want to sign up for group number 1. I want to do most of my work during the day in the weekdays. So I can see that there are 2 group members that are signed up, and the maximum allowed is 5, so there is room for me, which is great. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, this button right here for sign up and give it a second. So once you do that, you can see that I'm now part of group 1. Here are the group properties, that same description, that long description that you saw earlier. And now you can view our group members. So there's myself, Heather, and Kayla. In this group tool section, and this is really useful, you'll see that there's a file exchange available. So the file exchange works similarly to something like Google Docs, where you can share files amongst one another. That would be a great place to for somebody to submit a rough draft, and then another group member to make edits and so forth, and again exchange files before somebody submits it. The group discussion board is really useful during week 1. That's where you're required to go in and share your contact information. After that, the discussion board isn't required for this class, but again, that's just another, that's a great just communication tool. I realize that most of you will likely use group texts or emails, things like that, but you are definitely able to use that group discussion board. And then finally, this link here that says send email, that will send an email to your group members. So again, that's a really helpful tool to communicate. The 2 group assignments, so these assignments you will each submit as a group, which means that one person in your group will be designated to submit that assignment. So once you do that, if you click on the group assignment, let me see. You know what? I actually didn't submit it here, but you'll have to go to your learning activities, and I just want to show you real quickly how you actually submit that assignment. So I'm going to go into week 2, and here is the homework assignment, and again, you can look at the directions in more detail, but once I click on this link to submit my homework, all right, so you will see that your group name is group 1, and you are submitting your assignment on behalf of your group. So what that means is, again, one person from your group will be designated to submit your assignment on behalf of the entire group. So just make sure that whoever submits that assignment is obviously submitting the final draft. And so again, just one person will need to submit that assignment on behalf of the group. So I hope that helps in discussing how to sign up for a group, how to utilize some of the tools like the discussion board that is available. I'm really looking forward to this, to your collaborations and to your work. Make sure you tune back into Blackboard next week in the beginning of week 2. we will have a brief meeting with our community partner that each of the group members need to join into, and also we'll discuss in a little bit more detail what is required. But thanks for listening, and if you have any further questions, make sure you reach out to me. I am always here for you, and I'm just looking forward to the rest of the class with you. So have a great week, everyone.